Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro journal entry foreign exchange tutorial. In this quick little guide, we're going to walk through how to create a journal entry in a foreign transaction. So I've got the journal entry module pulled up here as usual. My home currency in this instance is USD, but I'm going to make a foreign currency journal entry. So I'm going to choose Canadian here, and you can see the exchange rate automatically got fetched. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to credit a Canadian account, Canadian bank account here. So the key thing here is at least one of the accounts must be in the foreign currency. Otherwise, it's not going to let you save the journal entry. I'm going to debit my American account. You can see now it's balanced. And basically all these amounts are in the foreign currency. So this is $1,000 Canadian. So if I go ahead, click Save, click OK, and now the journal entry has been created. And let me actually just show you the transactions. And you can see actually the foreign amount. So you can see the foreign amount is 1,000, but the actual whole amount is 810 because of that currency exchange.